everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's videos we are going to see the new baby born embroidery hub. So let's first create the outline for it. So what I did first, I did the measure that where I have to put the photograph. So I am just putting in a place while measuring it from the scale, like from all the sides. So you can see here I'm trying to get in perfect place for the pictures, and has to be equal from each side. So after measuring it, I have just created an outline for the photo first, and then I just use the scale and draw that what I want to put it in the like letters, or what do I want to draw it. So you can see here now I'm making a cake, and then again I put the um, lining, and then again clock sign, weight sign, and then the sun that will show the date. Then I put some t-shirts, some rackets, and then here is the final look, you can see. So I have written all the content that I have to write over. Then I used this blue thread, and I created first I started using the letter embroidery. So you can see I'm doing the letter embroidery, and the simple step of doing the letter embroidery is doing the back stitch and then rolling the thread over it to get a perfect shape of letter. So you can see here I'm just doing first the normal stitching, and after that I'll roll the thread over it. So this tutorial I have given in the letter embroidery, when I was showing the line embroidery. So there also I have showed you. So doing that, I have created all the letter embroidery, so you can see here in this video also. And for all the letters that I'll be showing you, I am just following this step only. So first I have created the D, and then following that I'll create A, I, V. So you can see here. So it's very simple that you have to just do the follow my hands, and you can see that how I'm writing it. So it's done. The name of the child has been done. So now I'll move forward, and I'll now create and do all the letters embroidery in the same way that I'm doing right now. So now I'm just putting the proud parents, and yeah, of course that is a customizable thing. You can put what you want to put, like let's suppose that if you want to put here there's something else in the content, then you can always put. So it's just that I'm just giving you an brief that how you can create a new baby born hope. So here I'm just now I have what I made is simple. It is a baby, a boy. So I have written down I'm a king, and his name I'm a king Davik, and then their parents name, or what is their parent, like they are a very proud parent. So I just written it down as a proud, and just I did the letter embroidery with using the same step. First do the normal stitching with the gap, and then fill up the gap by rolling the thread over it. So as you can see in my video, where there is a gap, I'm just rolling the thread over it. So doing that, I following that step, I am just doing the embroideries. So as you can see in my videos, this is the simple step that I have followed in everything writing in the like letter. So and you can see the thread. So I used only single threads. There is not so much thread that I have used. I have used this blue thread, and then there is a one also variation of a blue thread, and then black color, white color, and the paint I have used somewhere. But mostly the color are like that. Like for sun I have used yellow color, and for some flowers I have used some different color of blue itself. So there is a no more, like no variation of more threads. You can make it, customize it like this. That's on all on you, that how you want to create it. Again, how much type of color variation that you want to give. So now I'm creating the Sunday. So the baby was born on Sunday, so I just make the sun over there. So that was the day, and so I just write now Sunday. So that's I used the icon. Again, you don't want to do that, you can skip it. Then I'm just writing the time, again using the same format, following the same steps, and now it's going to be end, like all the timings and everything I written it down. and after that I will go to the icon. So you can see that I'm following the same step and doing the same steps. So my all letter and number embroidery has been done over here. So the baby weight was when he was born, so his weight was 3.1 kg, so I've written 3.1 kg. Then I'm writing I'm a king. Now I'm making a cake with, you can see here the variation of color is again blue, because I've taken all the color variation as a blue because it was a baby boy. Then I have created the candle by using simple knot type thread, you can see here. So I'm just putting lighting the candle, you can say, and then just I'm making the sun over here, and sun using again the normal stitching and then just rolling the thread over it, you can see here. And then I'm just putting the thread rays of sun, you can see here. Yeah, so sun is completed. Now I'm going to the clock time. Again, I'm not using lot much of threads, I'm just using simple black thread, and I have given all the outlines of all the things. You can little things when you will see it with this black thread only. So I'm now making a clock. So I used the outline, I given the outlining of circle in the black, and then I used for the needle of the clock I used yellow color. And then for I again used, like for the weight again I have used the black color outlining embroidery, you can see here. I'm just using the same techniques. I'm doing the back stitching. So I'm just doing the back stitching, and then I just made the weight. Then in the same process I made the king. I doing the normal stitch, you can see here, doing the normal stitch and just rolling the thread over all the king shape thing. And in the middle I put the 2 dot. I forgot to take the clip of it because unfortunately my camera was not on, and I thought I saw shoot lot of things, but I missed because my camera was not on. So sorry for that. But yes, if you need a detailed video on it, then I'll definitely make a king sign again and do that. So now I'm making the frame of it. So you can see here I'm just doing the frame, and yeah, so making the flower using again the blue thread. I have just used blue color overall, just wanted to give it a baby boy color, so I just used it. You it's on again on you. You want to use lot of variation of colors, you can use that, so it's on you. Again, I'm now making a woven rose using the again blue thread, but there I will use like a different variation. Yeah, so this is the one variation of like blue color I have used. I will give in the description the color code also, so you can get it easily from the local market, also from the Amazon. So again, now I'm just using the green thread for making the leaf of it, you can see here. So now I just made the leaves of it also. So now it's done from all the sides. I have just used the green color. So now I'm just giving this one side flower, again making it through the lazy daisy and using the same blue color. So as you can see here, I'm just creating it using a blue color. So and then I will also fill it in between also. So you can see, let me just show you that then I'll use again the darker side of blue color and fill it into between. So this is the way I created the frame for where I want to stick the photo. So now this is the final look. So I just painted it down, every like boy I have written, cricket ball, and some toys I have made, and then I just painted with my own color, like I used the variations and then I just painted. So if you don't want to paint it also, it's okay, it's on you again. And then I will paste only the baby photo over there, so I can't reveal that face of the baby. So that's it in the today video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like my video and comment me that what video you want next. Till then, bye bye, take care.